Good morning, Panthers. How are you this morning? I believe every one of you is okay this morning. And Panthers, comment down below. How was your lunch? How was your tea time yesterday? Did you boom? Did you doom, Panthers? Now, Panthers, I believe everyone is making use of what I'm teaching you, Panthers. The strategies, Panthers. Please make use of them, Panthers. Make use of them. But then I have said, you know what? Me having to provide you with all these things, it can never be enough without the lessons. You understand, Panthers? Now, Panthers, also I wanted to highlight, Panther, is that Panthers, I am growing. I've seen the numbers, Panther. Thank you for 5,000 views, Panthers. Keep on liking, keep on sharing, Panthers. Keep on commenting, Panthers. Now, Panthers, today I'm going to be a bit short when it comes to these videos because today I'm writing, you understand. I have to provide you this, then I will have to leave. Now, Panthers, if you can check on yesterday's results, let us go and check on the results yesterday. And then we're going to check our last numbers. Let us check our last numbers. Remember, I've told you, Panther, about the importance of having to understand our last numbers. Our last numbers, I refer as them as what? As the bonuses. The last numbers to be drawn. Now we have 43 and then we have 13. We have a bonus of 43 and 13. We're going to use our last numbers on this draw. Now, Panther, remember what I have told you before. Me having to calculate this number so perfectly, it is because of I want what? I want a draw that is related to the one that is going to play. It is about highlighting the relationship between what? Between the two draws that are related. You understand? You have to find the draws that are related to one another, and then we are going to make use of what? We're going to make use of the differences in between. We have 43 and also we have what? We have 13. I say 43 multiplied by 13 equals to, it gives me a code. This code it played, I think, in the month of November. Let us say 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 5 multiplied by 9 it is 45. We have 25 and then we have 45. Let us go and check for 25 and 45. I think it played on tea time. I'm not sure which date. Let us check. 25 and 45. 25 and 45. Let us check for 25. 25 and 45. I think it played. Let me check my result that I've written them down. 25 and 45, it played on the 4th of November. 4th of November tea time. Let us go on the 4th of November tea time. 4th of November tea time. 4th November tea time. Yes. We're having what? We're having 25. We're having 25 the yellow ball and 45 the orange ball. Now we're going to count, Panther. We're going to count from the 4th of November up until yesterday. Yesterday was the 20th. We're going to say now 20 minus 4 plus 1. We get what? We get our code. We get our code. Now on this code, it is what we call the set code. We're going to say 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7, I think 8 it played what? It played as a bonus yesterday. Let us confirm. Let us confirm if 8 really played as a bonus yesterday on lunchtime. Let us go on lunchtime yesterday and go check the bonus. Here we have what? We have 8 as a bonus. It is coming from as a bonus. It is coming from what? It is coming from a set code of 17. Now we're going to say now 8 multiplied by our current month plus our current month multiplied by our current year. It gives me what? It gives me a playing code. I believe this code played yesterday on lunchtime. When we break this code, it must give me the exact matching throw numbers. You understand? There is no way I can say to you, let us change this number and make it this number. You understand? Whenever I break a code, it must give me the exact numbers exactly as they are. Now, this is what we call the 3-digit code. And whenever we break this code, it must always give us what? And their domination, this code, it is always what? It is always dominated by multiplication. There is no addition here. Now we have 341 as a code. We say 3 multiplied by 4, it is 12. 3 multiplied by 1, it is 3. We have 3 and then we have 12. Let us go and check if 3 and 12 played yesterday on tea time. We have 3 and then we have 12, we have 8. I've calculated how many numbers. I've calculated 3, 12, and a bonus ball of 8. Just imagine, Panthers. What a feast. What a feast. So, Panther, I've told you, you know what? Maths work wonders for me. As you know, Panther, the person who derived maths, it has to do with what? With problem solving. You understand? Maths is here to solve problems. You understand this? Now we are solving serious problem here, which is numbers. Now, Panther, when you solve this problem, Panther, it is going to be very, very rewarding. Ne? Now let us go back and check. We have our last numbers, which is what? We have our last numbers, which is 43 and 13. 43 and 13. Now on 43, now we're going to say 43 plus 13. It gives me what? It gives me a set code. Remember, I've said when it comes to the set code, we're always going to start with addition. We're always going to start with addition, and then it will be followed by what? It will be followed by multiplication. Now, we're going to say now, 5 plus 6 equals to 11. Ne? 5 plus 6 equals to 11. 5 multiplied by 6 equals to what? Equals to 30. Now 11, I believe 11 it's played yesterday on lunchtime, and then 30 it played yesterday on tea time. Let us confirm. Let us confirm if we had 11 on lunchtime and then we had 30 on tea time. We had 30 on tea time. Here is 11 and then here is 30 on tea time. You understand? Above all, I've calculated about how many numbers? 3, 12, 11, 8, and 30. I've calculated 3 numbers, 3, 12, 11, and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've calculated about 5 numbers so far. Now, Panthers, as I have told you, you know what? When it comes to maths, when it comes to these numbers, maths apply, Panthers. There's a lot that you need to learn. There's a lot of things that you need to learn when it comes to these numbers. Panthers, please, Panthers, don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe, Panthers. And also those that want those lessons, Panthers, I said you can text me on Facebook, Treko Sundays. That's where you're going to find me. Ne? Now, Panthers, these lessons, they're going to teach you a lot of things when it comes to numbers. Me having to provide you with these recaps, I think it can never be enough, because you are not familiar with the code. You're not familiar with the factors that makes up the code, the factors that are determining the playing code. You understand? Those are the things that you still need to learn. So, Panthers, good luck when it comes to today's draw. Now, Panthers, these are not predictions. They are yesterday recap. You understand? These are not predictions. Don't play these numbers because they played yesterday. Now, Panthers, comment down below. And then, Panthers, I think we'll come back again tomorrow. Stay safe, Panthers, and good luck when it comes to today's draw. Thank you.